I've been a firefighter most of my life. It's a job I'm proud of. We save lives, run into danger, but there's another side people don't see. The weight of what we experience, the things you can't unsee. There was one fire years ago that changed everything for me. We arrived at a house fire with children trapped inside. We did everything we could, but by the time we reached them, it was too late. I can still hear their mother's screams. That night broke something inside me, but I didn't realize it then. At first I just couldn't sleep. Nightmares, racing thoughts. I started snapping at people, felt on edge all the time, and guilt weighed on me. I kept thinking, what if I'd been faster? It got to the point where I didn't want to go to work, didn't want to face anyone, but I pushed through, thinking it was just part of the job. The breaking point came when we got another fire call. This time, something snapped inside me. I couldn't move. I froze, and my team had to go without me. That's when I knew something was seriously wrong. I reached out to a therapist, and that was the hardest part, admitting I needed help. But getting diagnosed with PTSD lifted a weight off my shoulders. Finally, I knew what I was dealing with. Therapy became my lifeline. I started working through the trauma, learning that it wasn't my fault, and bit by bit, things got better. Recovery wasn't just therapy, though. I had to change my life. I began taking care of myself, getting enough sleep, eating right, exercising. I even started practicing mindfulness, which helped keep me grounded. Running became my escape, and opening up to my team helped too. I realized I wasn't alone in this. Now I'm back at work, and while there are still tough days, I don't let PTSD control me anymore. I've learned to let go of what I can't control. I'm proud of the work I do and the person I've become. If there's one thing I want others to know, it's that PTSD doesn't define you. You can get through it, one day at a time, but you have to ask for help when you need it.